Hello, friends. How are you all? Today we will learn 10 lines on Teacher's Day. So let's get started. Good morning, everyone. Today we are celebrating a very special day called Teacher's Day. Teacher's Day is a day when we show our love and respect to our teachers. Teacher's Day is celebrated in India on the birth anniversary of Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. Teachers are like our guides who help us learn new things and grow. They teach us subjects like maths, science, and language, but also important life lessons. We should always be thankful to our teachers. For their hard work and dedication. On Teacher's Day, we give our teachers cards, flowers, or a heartfelt thank you. Teachers make school a fun and interesting place. So let's celebrate and appreciate our teachers. For all that they do. Thank you so much, everyone. Please like, share and subscribe the video if you like it.